We just arrived at the Gardens of the Bay. We're going to have something to eat here and watch the night lights show. How relaxing is this music? Oh wow, look at the dinosaurs.
Nature.
So creative. Burgers and hot dogs. Maybe we should suss that out. Unless I think there's more restaurants.
2 plus 6.
Floral Clock. Oh wow! You can explore Gardens of the Bay for hours. It's just absolutely breathtaking. The prettiest garden that I've ever seen in my life. And it just gets better and better. This place is so magical. It's like a maze. And they have chickens running around. So cute. You've got the best spot, buddy. All these gardens are yours.
So we're just looking for somewhere to eat now. See if there's any restaurants here. There's some signs that say dining, so we've got to see what they got to offer. How amazing is this place, Avissa?
The best that I have ever seen in my life. I literally could spend the whole day here.
I've never seen a garden like this in your life.
Never. It's stunning. So well maintained, so green, and so many beautiful sculptures and plants.
Makes you feel so good, eh?
It's amazing.
It's good for the soul.
Love it. Oh wow, look at the chairs. That's so cool. Let's see what's available to eat. So that's like your KFC. Japanese noodles. Oh, you've got a few things around here. And it's nice and cool here too. If you ever come to Singapore, make sure you come to Gardens of the Bay. Oh yum, everything looks so good. I might get one of those, but we'll look around, see what the kids want to get. We've got pizzas, pasta. Almir, you got beef pepperoni, salami,
Mama, what are those black things?
truffle mushroom.
So just eating our laksa now. It's got prawns, egg and fish and noodles in there. How's the laksa, Vissa?
So good, honestly. It's a bit spicy, but the flavours and the spices are amazing. I had one of the eggs and it's full of flavour.
Nice, yeah, mine's good too. So this is traditional Singaporean food. Really good, really good. Just finished eating. Now we're going to go find ourselves a position on the grass to watch the light show. As you can see, there's people already sitting down to watch the light show.
If you guys come to the Gardens of the Bay, make sure you suss out the Dressing Nest food hall. It has the best laksa that I have ever tried. It's actually this hawker restaurant behind me there. It won a Michelin star, so it is definitely worth a visit. So now we're just waiting for the nightlight show. There's a few people already coming and it's just going to get busier and busier.
Showcase of lights and musical treats. Tonight we present A World of Fantasy. So pick a spot, grab your cameras, and enjoy the show.